So guys, to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu. Then try to search for the app. Scroll down and you're going to find the app. Use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on application details. Now tap on storage and cache. Clear the cache. So tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Go back, tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on notification and make sure the show notification is still got on like this. Now go back, tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still got on like this. After that, go back, then go to Play Store. So try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it, and when it opens, try to check for the update of this app. When you update this app, tap on the power button for some while after updating the app. You're going to see reboot or restart. Just push it like this to reboot or restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in my next video. Tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video.